I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini in Docs. Gemini is an AI assistant integrated directly into Google Docs, designed to enhance your writing process. You can easily access it by clicking the Help Me Write button that appears, or by simply typing a prompt. Gemini can assist with drafting new content, summarizing existing text, or even brainstorming creative ideas for your documents. It's a powerful tool to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Gemini makes drafting new content straightforward. Simply open a new document or a blank section and provide a clear, concise prompt detailing what you need. For summarizing, highlight the relevant text within your document, then choose the Summarize option. Gemini will condense the information efficiently. Remember, you can always refine Gemini's output by giving it more specific instructions regarding tone, length, or style to perfectly match your document's needs. Beyond drafting and summarizing, Gemini is excellent for brainstorming. If you're stuck on an outline, need new topic ideas, or want creative angles for your content, just ask. You can also refine existing text by instructing Gemini to rewrite a paragraph, expand on a point, or shorten a lengthy section. This helps improve clarity, correct grammar, and enhance the overall readability of your document, making your writing more impactful. To get the most out of Gemini, don't hesitate to experiment with a variety of prompts. The more specific and detailed your instructions, the better and more tailored the results will be. Providing context or examples can significantly improve the accuracy of its output. Keep exploring its features to truly unlock its potential for your writing. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.